The Carabao Cup fourth round tie between Wrexham and Cardiff City on Tuesday the 28th of October at STōK Cae Ras promises to be a historic Welsh derby. It's the first competitive meeting between the two sides in over 2 decades and the first time in 62 years that they've faced each other in this competition. The match has been selected for live coverage on free-to-air ITV as well as Sky Sports, ensuring fans across Wales and beyond can witness this long-awaited clash, with supporters from both clubs eagerly anticipating the occasion. Wrexham, currently in the Championship, have impressed in the Carabao Cup so far, reaching the fourth round with wins over Hull City, Preston North End and Reading. Manager Phil Parkinson has highlighted the significance of the fixture, describing it as a cracking night and noting the historic achievement of having 3 Welsh teams in the last 16 for the first time. The Red Dragons will be buoyed by the support of their home crowd and the momentum of their recent cup performances, giving them confidence against their lower league rivals. Cardiff City, now competing in League One following relegation, have also enjoyed a strong cup run. The Bluebirds have seen off Swindon Town, Cheltenham Town and Premier League side Burnley to reach this stage, showcasing their ability to rise to the occasion in knockout competition. Head coach Brian Barry Murphy will be eager for his side to demonstrate their quality against higher tier opposition and make a statement in the derby, knowing a positive result could lift morale and build momentum in the league. The clash is set to be a thrilling contest, blending Wrexham's home advantage and championship experience with Cardiff's resilience and cup pedigree. Fans can expect intensity, drama and a night to remember as both Welsh sides bid to advance and claim bragging rights in one of the most anticipated fixtures of the Carabao Cup season.